Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last 2 days and how the silver price can move in the next 2 days. If you look at the chart of silver moving in this particular zone, okay, after this zone has break downside, we have seen it was in this particular zone and after that it was continuously falling. Okay, now if you look at the chart closely, what we can see that suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 18.872 and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 18.352. Suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $17.5. okay, and if it goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 70.313. okay, and if the price goes below that level, then we can see a probability of touching 6.7 will be very high. Again I repeat, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 18.756. okay, and from there we can see it can move further down to a level of 8.237 and from there we can see it can move to a level of 7.371. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding silver or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, suppose if this particular level sustained, then we can see it can move to a level of $19.4, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $20. Suppose if the price goes up that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.2, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $20.8. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $21.3, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $21.540. Suppose if the price goes up that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $21.9, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $22.280. Suppose the price goes up that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $22.5. Once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 23 also. Okay, now you have to understand something, that there is a continuous fall in the price of silver, and if you have checked my previous video, I have already told you that the range has already been broken, so probability was very high. We can see the silver price can move further down. Okay, now if this level didn't sustain in the silver, probability of touching a level of 18.3 is very high because a continuous downfall we have seen. But if this level sustain, a probability of touching $20, and if this $20 sustain, probability of touching further high towards a level of 21.2 will be there, and from there to a level of $21.9. and suppose if that level goes upside, we can see a level of $22.3, and if that goes further upside, then we can see it can move further high and can go further upside. Now you have to understand something, if you are trading, you have to be careful because most of the people lose money in trading. What I teach in my workshop, that if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, risk 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. If you take 5 trades also, you know your risk is $500. okay, so what you can do is, suppose if you lose $500, relax for the day and now trade the next day. Okay, then what will happen, you will focus more on profit rather than recovering this particular loss. Okay, what people do is they lose so much money in this particular day, then they try to recover in the next day, which in turn lose their full capital. This is what they do. Okay, what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these problems, when to enter, when to exit, how to hedge, and when to strategize, all these things I tell them in the workshop. So if you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.